Yo! What's up mga tropa? Welcome to Vibe Check. This is the ultimate tambayan para sa lahat ng mahilig sa music, chill vibes at syempre, yung mga deep kwentuhan natin. I'm Jared, your resident music lover.
Yo, what's up mga guys? It's Adrian and today we were diving into some real urban musics like R&B, hip-hop, and rap. Alam niyo na, yung mga beats na mapapa-headbob ko talaga.
So before anything else, syempre kasama rin natin ang buong crew. Introduce yourself guys.
What's up guys, Ali here, ready now for today's episode.
Yo, Micaela in the house, let's get it.
Elaine here, let's talk about those hard-hitting beats and smooth vocals.
Yo, Althea here, excited na akong mag-share ng thoughts ko about R&B and rap.
What's good? It's Michi. Let's talk about soulful vibes and killer vibes today.
Sana ready na kayo this episode. Hindi lang basta kwentuhan, may special focus tayo kay, syempre, mamaya malalaman nyo.
Yes! Syempre, ready na talaga kami. So, alright. Bago tayo mag-focus sa specific na artist na ating pag-uusapan ngayon, I wanna ask you guys, what do you actually know about R&B, hip-hop, and rap genres? So, kasi I feel like each of us has a different vibe or perspective eh. Diba? Agree ba kayo?
Yes!
So, ano ba sa tingin nyo ang mga elements ng mga genres na ito?
Para sa akin, R&B is more on the soulful side. Yung parang relaxing siya, pakinggan, pero yung may emotion yung boses. Perfect siya sa mga chill moments.
Oo, R&B is really smooth. Pero, for me, hip-hop is all about the rhythm. Yung beat na magpapagalaw sa'yo. And rap, syempre ang pinaka-paborito ko. Yung mga lyrics, sobrang catchy at real.
Yes.
Same. Rap talaga. Grabe yung mga lines. Kumbaga, may story sa bawat kanta. Whether love, struggle, or hassle. And grabe, yung rhythm, parang mabilis tumakbo sa beat.
You know, R&B is that deep emotional connection. You get those strong vocals and melodies na may feel, while hip-hop and rap naman, you get that fire with the words and beats. Ang layo ng approach ng bawat genre, pero they all tell stories in their own way.
Tama! And parang lahat ng genres na yan may influence sa isa't isa. Lalo na ngayon, there's this big mix with, we get rap artists who have R&B vibes na music nila. Or R&B artists who incorporate trap and rap elements. It's like crossover of sound na nagbibigay ng bagong flavor sa music.
Oo nga. And I think that's what makes urban music is so interesting. Today, before these genres were kind of separate, but ngayon, they are emerging. Hindi lang yung typical na R&B or rap. Kundi now they are blending the best of both worlds, which brings out even more creative sounds.
Tumpak kayo dyan. So for today's episode, pag-usapan naman natin yung mga artist na kilala when it comes to R&B, rap, and hip-hop. Hulaan nyo kung sino.
Ayoko nga.
Ay nako, ayaw nyo ba?
Nakakainis.
Ano ba?
Well, so ngayon, mag-play tayo ng isang track ng artist na to. Titingnan natin kung familiar sa inyo. So, yung kanta na to is his most listened track in Spotify. Ready na ba kayo?
Yes!
Excited.
Go natin yan.
Di man papalaring
2, 3.
Yes, pagtayo ko sa
Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, let's go, let's go. Everybody down, let's go, let's go. Everybody, let's go to the west, to the east, to the north. Let's go. Ha, ha. Yeah.
Tapos na. Okay na.
Okay, sobrang okay.
This beat is fire. I can totally feel the vibe. Parang chill lang pero may intensity.
Yeah, I'm vibing with this. Kio's flow is super smooth. Pero ramdam mo yung mga grit sa voice niya.
And yung delivery niya, sobrang galing. Ramdam na ramdam mo yung kanta.
Oo nga, grabe no? Yung balance between the rap and the mellow vibe. Solid. Parang may depth sa lyrics. Pero, easy lang pakinggan. So for those na hindi pa familiar kay Kio, he's one of the emerging artists in the local hip-hop scene. He's got this unique blend of rap and R&B na parang yun nga, smooth yet hard-hitting.
Exactly. And kung titingnan mo, no, Kio has a way of bringing his influences into his musics. Medyo may pagka 90s and R&B lang yung mga approach niya, pero sobrang modern din. And his is one of the artists na nag-explore talaga ng mga bagong sound. Pero may mga deep roots din sa classic styles ng mga hip-hop.
Yes, and I love how his music captures the raw emotions of life. Whether it's about love, struggles, or personal growth, his lyrics speaks to you parang may sariling story na it's either relatable or hits you in the feels.
Yup, that's the power of rap eh. It's not just the beats, it's the storytelling. Kyo able to mix what this smooth R&B vibe kaya hindi lang siya puro bars. May melody rin na malupet.
Agree. And speaking of melodies, I think Kyo really knows how to balance both sides of his music, the rap and the R&B. Hindi siya nagmamadali. He lets the melody breathe while hitting you with his sharp lines.
For real, I think that's what sets him apart. Yung rap scene niya ngayon, marami na ring artist na nagpapakita ng fusion ng genres. Pero si Kyo, parang he's perfected that blend. Talagang nabanggit mo, Althea, yung emotion. And I think his influence plays a big part in that he's bringing that smooth R&B vibe into a genre that's usually aggressive and fast-paced.
Alam mo, totoo. Pero I gotta ask you guys, what's your favorite Kyo track so far? I mean, yung last one na played natin was On Fire. And, what's the track that really stands out for you guys?
For me, I gotta go with Eba. Parang it has the classic Kyo sound eh. Smooth vocals, pero yung verses, ang bigat. His storytelling is on point there.
Yo, same. But ikaw lang is really my go-to. Lalo na yung flow niya. Dun grabe, it's like a journey. Tapos parang alam mo yung may weight sa bawat lines niya.
I'm with Michi. I'm feeling Eva too. It's like the perfect mix of chill but with the hard-hitting impact na talaga mapapa-headnut ka.
Oo. And yung hooks ng mga tracks ni Kyo, parang catchy, but deep pa rin. It's not just radio-friendly, but it stays with you long after the song ends.
True, his music's not just meant to be heard. Alam mo yun, it's meant to be felt. Yung vibe niya, like, he's speaking directly to your soul.
Yeah, parang siya yung artist na kahit hindi mo alam yung buong story ng buhay niya, ramdam mo pa rin yung authenticity sa music niya.
Correct.
Tama, yung genuine vibe, no? And that's what makes him such a strong influence sa local scene right now. He's giving us a mix of everything, rap, R&B, and even a little bit of that trap influence.
Wow. Alam niyo, totoo. He's definitely on his rise. And I think we will be hearing more of him in coming years. Pero yun nga, going back to what we were saying earlier, yung mga fusion ng genres niya is really what makes urban music. It is so exciting these days. So Kyo is a perfect example of that.
So mga guys, it's safe to say that Kyo's got a unique spot in the local music scene. Talaga naman he's pushing the boundaries of what we know about rap and R&B, and he's just getting started.
I love.
So guys, what do you think? Is it Kyo's next big thing in the local music scene?
Yes, I love her sure.
He's got the talent, the sound, and the vibe that can really go far.
Yung growth niya as an artist, it's clear. The best is yet to come for Kyo.
Yup, I'm all in for Kyo's future. Alam naman natin na he's just getting started and we're here for it.
Yes, agreed. Kyo's doing something different and yung mga tao, they are starting to notice.
Yes, no doubt about it. He's got a fresh sound that resonates with a lot of people.
And it's real, no fronting, just authentic music. That's why yung mga tao is nakaka-connect with him.
Correct.
Now that we've felt Kyo's vibe, let's shift gears. The next RG is napaka-OG to. Legendary. Lahat ata ng batang 2000s may face na pinakinggan siya. Ready na ba?
Yes!
OG? Sino kaya to?
Sino kaya yan? Ano ba yan?
Malalaman nyo.
Tingnan natin like, go.
Isang sirena, kahit anong sabihin nila, bandera. Sorry! Isang sirena, anong gawin nila, bandera. Perfect. May tubig ang sinisisi sa lalaki ng mga braso. sa'kin tumitigdig. Sorry.
Stop.
Grabe.
Stop.
Grabe naman talaga.
Let's go.
Grabe, classic. Si Rena hits different every time. Yung kwento ang lalim.
Glock 9 never misses. Sobrang impactful ng lyrics. He talks about social issues, identity, and real struggles.
Alam mong hindi lang siya basta rapper. He's a storyteller. Parang may kasamang tula sa bawat kanta niya.
And he made rap mainstream here. Dati kasi parang underdog genre. Pero with Glock 9, biglang nag-shift yung perception ng tao.
For me, what sets him apart is his wordplay. Ang dami niyang layers sa music niya. You could listen to a track 5 times and still discover something new.
Yes, I love it.
Yung tone niya din. Sobrang may conviction. You can tell na bawat line niya may purpose.
Okay, that's why Glock 9 is considered a pillar of local hip-hop. Siya yung patunay na rap can be both powerful and poetic.
Yes, and imagine yung from Glock 9 to Kio, ibang generation, pero parehong may puso sa ginagawa nila.
Wow, sumakses!
Oo, totoo.
Diba?
Like, iba yung
Step by
approach, pero pareho
Kombi.
silang, pareho yung music nilang may pinaparating na impact talaga.
Horik.
It's like saying evolution in the genre. From socially conscious rap to emotional storytelling, parehong may way.
True, Glock paved the wave, and now artists like Kio are exploring new ways to express themselves.
Yes, I think both of them show how rich and diverse urban music is here in the Philippines.
Kaya sobrang exciting ngayon sa local scene. We're not just getting bars and beats, we're getting voices that very matter.
Alam mo, sobrang dami nating napakinggang music ngayon. Sobrang ganda talaga ng episode natin ngayon.
I love it.
So, eto na nga. So, before we close, quick round lang. Glock 9 or Kio, sino ang nakakonect talaga sa inyo and why?
Cloud 9.
Ay, grabe.
Parang
yung nasa choice.
9 months ko na isipan.
Tagal.
Glock 9 for me, kasi he shaped my view of what rap can be. Hindi lang siya hype, may laman.
Wow.
Yes,
Ay, laman, tema.
Ay, bato.
Ay, grabe. O, sige na, go na.
Ay, Glock.
Tama na.
O, sige na, sige.
Tama na.
Sige,
O, ano naman?
sa akin naman si Kio, mas vibe ko yung chill niya, tsaka yung emotional storytelling niya. Parang soundtrack lang ng late night ko.
Honestly, both. Glock 9 taught me to listen with intention. And Kio made me feel seen.
Yes, everyone, I love those answers. I think both artists prove na music is always evolving, but real artistry stays timeless. Alright guys, I think that wrap up today's episode of Vibe Check. It's been fun diving into Glock 9 and Kio's music and talking about the blend of urban genres that taking over the scene.
And that's a wrap for today's episodes, mga tropa. Salamat sa pagsama sa amin. And for sure, we'll be back in more deep talks, more music, and of course, more chill vibes. Hang tight mga tropa until next time.
Vibe Check Out! Check out! Na 90% check out. Cellphone no, walang sira galing sa Bluetooth. Oh, 90%.